Hi guys, today I have received Boat Airdropes 175, which is a newly launched 2 days ago by Boat Manufacturing Company. This is what the box looks like, guys. Let me open it. Okay. Wow. Oh, they have given the Bluetooth earbuds with this fiber box. You can see here the boat logo, guys, and the box. Let me open the box. The box looks very premium and the build quality is also super good. Okay, nothing left in the box, guys. Okay, let me open the box. Wow, here newly they have kept this box. Inside we can see the Boat Airdropes 175 here. Okay, let me take it down. Wow, and unwrap this label. Yeah, this is what the Boat's Airdropes 175, guys. Okay, here you can see the Type-C charger, and back side nothing is written here, and here the boat and the LED light blinks whenever the both earbuds are charging. Now they are charging actually, and you can see the color, guys. What can I say? Beautifully, I love this blue color very much, and I like that color. You can see, guys, as soon as I close the lid, the LED light starts blinking, which means the Bluetooths are charging. Okay, let me keep this one aside and let me open the back side of the black box. Wow, you can see, guys, this is Boat Airdropes manual and warranty card and all that. Yeah, another cover we have received. Yeah, the Type-C charger for charging the Airdropes and the extra ear muffler, smaller and bigger. Okay, let's see. Look at the Airdropes, guys. The premium look. Wow. See, guys.